Welcome to Cozumel Cruise Port, your gateway to a tropical paradise in the Caribbean. With its pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant marine life, Cozumel is a dream destination for cruise passengers seeking a tropical escape. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, explore ancient ruins, or indulge in delicious cuisine, Cozumel has something for everyone. Cozumel Cruise Port is a popular destination in the Caribbean known for its stunning beaches. The port welcomes nearly 4 million cruise passengers each year, offering a wide range of activities and attractions. From snorkeling and diving to exploring Mayan ruins and enjoying local cuisine, there are plenty of things to do in Cozumel. Cozumel has 3 main cruise ports: Punta Langosta, International Pier, and Puerto Maya, each with its own unique offerings. San Miguel, the largest city on the island, is home to numerous restaurants offering delicious dining experiences. Cozumel is a vibrant destination with a wide range of activities to enjoy. Whether you're seeking relaxation on pristine beaches or thrilling adventures in the turquoise waters, Cozumel has it all. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the island and indulge in the rich culture and history it has to offer. Explore pristine beaches. Cozumel is renowned for its breathtaking beaches. Sink your toes into soft white sand, soak up the sun, and enjoy the tranquil sounds of the Caribbean Sea. Whether you prefer lively beach clubs or secluded coves, there's a perfect spot for you. Don't forget to take a refreshing dip in the crystal clear waters. Snorkeling and diving adventures. Dive into the vibrant underwater world of Cozumel's coral reefs. Grab a snorkel or scuba gear and explore the mesmerizing marine life that surrounds the island. Discover colorful fish, graceful rays, and even sea turtles. With numerous diving sites suitable for all skill levels, Cozumel is a paradise for underwater enthusiasts. Delve into the ancient Mayan civilization by visiting the impressive ruins on the island. Take a trip to San Gervasio, the largest Mayan archaeological site in Cozumel, and learn about the fascinating history and culture of this mighty civilization. Marvel at the well-preserved structures and imagine life in ancient times. Indulge in authentic Mexican cuisine. Cozumel's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. Treat your taste buds to the flavors of authentic Mexican cuisine. From traditional street tacos to fresh seafood dishes, there's a myriad of delectable options to satisfy every craving. Don't forget to try the famous guacamole, made with locally grown avocados. Experience the beauty of a Cozumel sunset aboard a sailboat. Set sail on the azure waters and enjoy the breathtaking views as the sun dips below the horizon. Feel the gentle breeze against your skin and embrace the peaceful atmosphere. It's the perfect way to end a day in paradise. Cozumel, a captivating island in the Caribbean, has a rich history that spans thousands of years. This tropical paradise was once an important center for the Mayan civilization, leaving behind a legacy of remarkable archaeological sites scattered across the island. The Mayans regarded Cozumel as a sacred place, offering homage to their deities through impressive temples and ceremonial structures. These architectural marvels stand as a testament to the advanced civilization that once thrived here. Aside from its significance to the Mayan civilization, Cozumel has an intriguing history as a haven for pirates and a pit stop for trading ships. The allure of hidden treasures and the strategic location of the island made it an attractive target for pirates, seeking refuge and protection. To this day, remnants of Cozumel's pirate past can be found, adding a touch of mystery and adventure to the island's narrative. Exploring the historic sites and hearing tales of swashbuckling exploits provide a glimpse into a time when the seas surrounding Cozumel were filled with fearless buccaneers and daring exploits. Cozumel's captivating history intertwines with its natural beauty, creating a unique destination that combines rich cultural heritage with breathtaking landscapes. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins or relaxing on one of the island's pristine beaches, Cozumel invites you to immerse yourself in its captivating past. Cozumel, with its 3 main cruise ports, offers a variety of docking locations for cruise ships. Whether you're looking for the convenience of being close to downtown San Miguel or prefer a more secluded atmosphere, there's a port that suits your preferences. Here are the main cruise ports in Cozumel. Punta Langosta is the closest cruise port to downtown San Miguel, making it a popular choice for visitors who want easy access to shopping, dining, and local attractions. From Punta Langosta, you can explore the vibrant streets of San Miguel, where you'll find local shops, restaurants, and cultural landmarks. The International Pier is situated about 3 miles from downtown San Miguel. This port offers a spacious area with shops, restaurants, and a variety of entertainment options. It's an ideal location for those who want to immerse themselves in the lively atmosphere while still enjoying the convenience of nearby amenities and activities. Puerto Maya is located approximately 5 miles from downtown San Miguel. This cruise port is known for its modern facilities and abundant recreational offerings. From Puerto Maya, you can explore nearby beaches, engage in water sports activities, or visit popular attractions such as the Chancana Beach Adventure Park. When it comes to finding a satisfying lunch in San Miguel, Cozumel, you're in for a treat. With its bustling food scene, this vibrant city offers a plethora of dining options to cater to all tastes. Whether you're craving traditional Mexican flavors or international cuisine, you'll find a delicious meal that will satisfy your appetite. For an authentic taste of Mexican cuisine, head to Pancho's Backyard. Known for its vibrant atmosphere and flavorful dishes, this restaurant is a local favorite. Indulge in mouth-watering fajitas, fresh guacamole, and refreshing margaritas while enjoying the lively music and charming courtyard. If you're a seafood lover, Pescaderia is the place to be. This seafood restaurant offers a wide selection of fresh catches, prepared to perfection. From ceviche to grilled fish, each dish is bursting with coastal flavors. Don't miss the opportunity to try their signature seafood stew, a true culinary delight. Looking for a spot to indulge your sweet tooth? Look no further than Panaderia La Cozumelena. This bakery specializes in freshly baked pastries and desserts. Treat yourself to a selection of mouth-watering cakes, fluffy pastries, and traditional Mexican sweets. Pair your treat with a cup of aromatic Mexican coffee for the perfect afternoon delight. No matter which restaurant you choose, you're in for a delightful culinary experience in San Miguel, Cozumel. Soak in the vibrant atmosphere, savor the flavors, and create unforgettable memories during your lunchtime adventure. Cozumel is renowned for its stunning beaches, and visiting a beach club is the perfect way to immerse yourself in a day of sun, sand, and relaxation. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat or a lively atmosphere, Cozumel's beach clubs have something for everyone. Explore our top recommendations below to make the most of your beach day in Cozumel. Located on the west coast of the island, Mr. Sancho's Beach Club offers a blissful tropical experience. Lounge on white sandy beaches, dip your toes into turquoise waters, and sip on refreshing cocktails as you unwind. For the adventure seekers, they also offer snorkeling, kayaking, and paddleboarding activities to add excitement to your day. Experience paradise at Paradise Beach Club. Situated just a short distance from downtown San Miguel, this beach club offers an array of amenities, including a pool with stunning ocean views, water trampolines, and a thrilling 200-foot water slide. From beach volleyball to kayaking, there are plenty of activities to keep you entertained. For a more secluded beach club experience, visit Cabana Beach Club, located on the less crowded east coast of Cozumel. Enjoy the serene atmosphere, pristine white sands, and crystal clear waters. Unwind under the shade of palm trees, indulge in delicious food and drinks, and let all your worries melt away. Whichever beach club you choose, you're guaranteed a day of blissful relaxation and endless fun in the sun. Soak up the beauty of Cozumel's beaches, indulge in tropical cocktails, and create unforgettable memories on your beach day in Cozumel. Escape to the secluded paradise of Isla Pasión, a hidden gem located at the north tip of Cozumel. This small island offers a tranquil beach experience away from the crowds, allowing you to unwind and reconnect with nature. Embark on a tour to Isla Pasión, available through various cruise lines, and prepare to be captivated by its untouched beauty. As you arrive, you'll be greeted by pristine white sands, crystal clear turquoise waters, and lush tropical vegetation. Relax in style as you soak up the sun on comfortable lounge chairs, or sway gently in a hammock, enjoying the gentle sea breeze. Dive into the refreshing ocean for a swim, or engage in water activities such as snorkeling or kayaking, immersing yourself in the breathtaking marine life that surrounds the island. Isla Pasión truly lives up to its name, evoking a sense of passion and romance. For couples seeking a romantic getaway or those in search of tranquility and seclusion, this secluded island in Cozumel is an idyllic choice. Secluded and peaceful beach experience, untouched natural beauty, comfortable lounge chairs and hammocks, water activities including snorkeling and kayaking, available as a tour through cruise lines. Unwind and escape to Isla Pasión, where serenity and natural beauty converge to create an unforgettable experience. Cozumel Cruise Port is your gateway to an exhilarating array of adventures and unforgettable experiences. Whether you're a nature lover, History enthusiast or thrill seeker, Cozumel offers a wide range of excursions and activities to satisfy your sense of adventure. One of the highlights of Cozumel is the opportunity to explore the breathtaking Mesoamerican reef. Dive into the crystal-clear turquoise waters and discover a vibrant underwater world teeming with colorful coral formations and exotic marine life. Snorkeling and scuba diving in this UNESCO World Heritage Site is an absolute must for any water sport enthusiast. If you're fascinated by ancient civilizations, embark on a journey to Tulum, the iconic Mayan ruins nestled on a clifftop overlooking the Caribbean Sea. Immerse yourself in history as you explore the awe-inspiring temples, towering pyramids, and intricate carvings that tell the stories of the Mayan civilization. For an unforgettable encounter with intelligent and playful creatures, dive into the world of dolphins. Swim alongside these magnificent mammals, interact with them, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Cozumel offers various dolphin encounters that cater to all ages and comfort levels. If you're seeking an adrenaline rush, Cozumel has you covered. Fly through the jungle canopy on thrilling zipline excursions, taking in the stunning views from above. Unleash your inner adventurer as you navigate rugged terrain on off-road expeditions, exploring hidden corners of the island only accessible by four-wheel drive vehicles. Or saddle up and embark on horseback riding adventures, galloping along pristine beaches and through lush tropical landscapes. Cozumel excursions, snorkeling and scuba diving in the Mesoamerican reef, exploring Mayan ruins in Tulum, swimming with dolphins, ziplining through the jungle canopy, off-roading adventures, horseback riding along the beach. No matter which adventure activity in Cozumel you choose, you're guaranteed an experience like no other. The natural beauty, rich history, and thrilling excursions of Cozumel Cruise Port will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. Cozumel is a shopper's paradise, offering a vibrant shopping scene with a variety of options to suit every taste. Whether you're looking for local handicrafts, designer boutiques, or exquisite jewelry, Cozumel has it all. Explore the Mercado Municipal. The Mercado Municipal is a bustling market where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant colors, scents, and sounds of Cozumel. Here, you'll find a wide array of traditional Mexican handicrafts, souvenirs, and artwork. From vibrant textiles and hand-painted ceramics to unique leather goods and woven baskets, you're sure to find the perfect memento to commemorate your visit to Cozumel. Discover Cozumel's jewelry stores. Cozumel is renowned for its exquisite jewelry stores, offering an abundance of silver pieces and gemstones. From delicate necklaces and stunning earrings to intricately designed bracelets and rings, you'll find a treasure trove of beautiful jewelry to choose from. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or a personalized gift, Cozumel's jewelry stores are sure to dazzle you. Indulge in a shopping spree as you explore the local markets and discover unique treasures to take home from your visit to Cozumel Cruise Port. Benefits of shopping in Cozumel. Authentic handicrafts. Experience the rich culture and heritage of Cozumel through locally made handicrafts and artwork. Unique souvenirs. Find one-of-a-kind souvenirs to bring back cherished memories of your time in Cozumel. High-quality jewelry. Explore a wide selection of silver pieces and gemstones crafted with skill and precision. Support local artisans. Shopping in Cozumel is a way to support local artisans and their traditional crafts. Embark on a shopping adventure in Cozumel Cruise Port, where you'll find a world of treasures waiting to be discovered. Cozumel is a culinary haven, offering a delightful array of dining options to satisfy every palate. Whether you're craving traditional Mexican flavors or seeking international cuisine, the island has something for everyone. Indulge in local specialties and savor the vibrant culinary culture during your visit to Cozumel. Cozumel's coastal location makes it the perfect place to indulge in fresh seafood. From succulent shrimp and lobster to mouth-watering ceviche, the local seafood dishes are a must-try. Head to renowned restaurants like Alberto's Beach Bar or Casa Mission for a delectable seafood feast that will leave you craving for more. Immerse yourself in the flavors of Mexico by exploring the vibrant local restaurants in Cozumel. Feast on authentic tacos, enchiladas, and tamales prepared with fresh ingredients and traditional recipes. Don't forget to pair your meal with a refreshing margarita or a traditional Mexican beer. If you're in the mood for something different, Cozumel also offers a wide range of international cuisine options. Sample mouth-watering Italian pasta dishes, savor flavorful Asian stir-fries, or indulge in a perfectly cooked steak at one of the island's international restaurants. For a special occasion or a romantic evening, Cozumel boasts several high-end restaurants that offer exquisite dining experiences. Enjoy beautifully plated dishes created by talented chefs, paired with carefully selected wines. Indulge in the elegant ambiance and savor every bite of your gourmet meal. Cozumel's dining experiences will leave you with a satisfied palate and lasting memories. Whether you're looking for a casual beachfront meal or an upscale dining affair, Cozumel offers a gastronomic adventure for every taste bud. Cozumel Cruise Port is the ultimate tropical escape for cruise passengers. With its breathtaking beaches, fascinating history, and a wide range of activities, Cozumel offers something for everyone. Whether you crave thrilling adventures, peaceful relaxation, or enriching cultural experiences, this vibrant destination has it all. During your visit to Cozumel Cruise Port, you can immerse yourself in the beauty of the island. Explore the stunning beaches, feel the soft sand between your toes, and dive into the crystal-clear turquoise waters. Snorkel or scuba dive to discover the mesmerizing coral reefs and vibrant marine life that Cozumel is renowned for. Indulge in the authentic flavors of Cozumel's culinary scene. From savoring mouth-watering Mexican cuisine to enjoying international dishes, you'll find a diverse array of dining options. Don't miss the opportunity to taste fresh seafood specialties and traditional delicacies. Create lasting memories as you embrace the captivating history and culture of Cozumel. Traverse the ancient Mayan ruins, remnants of a magnificent civilization, and unravel the island's intriguing past. Whether you choose to explore the charming city of San Miguel or venture to secluded destinations like Isla Pasión, the cultural richness of Cozumel will leave an indelible mark on your journey.